Food and the environment are deeply entwined for those living in the Darién region. Because this area is surrounded by oceans and rivers, local food depends on a healthy supply of fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. Coastlines regularly shift for reasons such as changes in the environment, rising sea levels, and erosion of the banks, to name a few. The coastline of the Darién region has also changed dramatically in recent history. Many parts of the Garishine community have moved and shifted 3 times in the past 50 years because the sea level has risen and gradually slopes up to the shore. To better protect the shorelines and solve this problem temporarily, residents of the community embedded shells in the ground to prevent erosion. They also build shell pathways around their homes to help control flooding and to better protect the coastline. As a result of the geographical changes and rising water levels, more recent structures are built on stilts. Researchers are currently tracking the types of mollusks in the area because they have been important to the people living there. Many of the shells used to help stop shoreline erosion are from mollusks, and there are many shell middens, which are mounds in the area that served as a trash dump for many generations. While mollusks are consumed today seem similar to those in recent archaeological strata, we have found shell mounds in the Garishine area that are estimated around 1,000 years old. Other shell mounds in the Pacific coast of Panama have illustrated an older phase in shells that could be up to 5,000 years old and are a different type of mollusk. Even now, certain types of mollusks are becoming rare in this area, and local people talk about not eating them anymore because they are no longer common. Changes in ocean acidification caused by the uptake of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere have been affecting mollusks as well as sea creatures, fish, and coral reefs. This shifts what kinds of food people are able to eat over time. Currently, there is an invasive species of mollusk called Corbicula fluminea that has been traveled from Asia. It is frequently found in waterways around Panama City, but was only found in the Darién region in 2019. This species is being monitored because its introduction could upset the balance of food and environment in the Darién region that is so important to those that live there. While these shifts in mollusks are concerning, it is interesting that the local fisheries continue to be healthy, with a consistent population of large shrimp. The Darién region sustains itself through these cycles of eating from the waterways and using the shells to support their environment and maintain their way of life.